Good day everyone, I am Shandy May Saladaga and we are the group 12 and the last reporter of this class. So our topic is all about the promise of intercultural new media studies by Robert Shutter. So the provided text, The Promise of Intercultural New Media Studies by Robert Shutter, introduced and defined a new field of academic inquiry that explores the intersection of new media technologies, information and communication technologies, or the ICTs, and intercultural communication. New media or the ICTs are ubiquitous, transforming intercultural communication. Contact between individuals and groups from different cultures has increased exponentially due to the internet or the CMC, social network sites or the SNS, mobile phones, Skype, text messaging, online games or the MMOGs, virtual worlds, and blogs. People worldwide utilize ICTs to communicate instantaneously with others regardless of geopolitical boundaries, time, or space, and hence are no longer restricted primarily to face-to-face encounters. The compromise is that new media has fundamentally transformed and increased intercultural contact across the globe. Ubiquity of ICTs, technologies like the internet, computer-mediated communication or the CMC, social network sites or the SNS, mobile phones, Skype, text messaging, online games or the MMOGs, virtual worlds, and blogs are now widespread. For an exponential increase in contact, these tools allow individuals and groups from different cultures to communicate instantaneously, overcoming traditional barriers of geopolitical boundaries, time, and space. Shift from face-to-face communication is no longer primarily restricted to face-to-face encounters, challenging the foundation of decades of traditional intercultural communication research. Researchers have largely ignored the impact of new media on the intercultural communications despite this revolution and cross-cultural contact. Additional investigation on this topic could challenge more 50 years of intercultural communication knowledge and theories rooted in the 20th century face-to-face paradigm. This article proposes, defines, and sets the research agenda for new fields of study called Intercultural New Media Studies or the INMS, which explores the intersection between ICTs and intercultural communication. So, despite this revolution, the author notes that researchers have largely ignored the impact of new media and intercultural communication. Challenging the old paradigm, the paper suggests that investigating this area could challenge and refine more than 50 years of existing intercultural communication, knowledge, and theory, which is currently rooted in the 20th century face-to-face paradigm. The next topic is all about the intercultural new media studies or the INMs, parameters of a field. So what is intercultural new media studies or the INMs? So these studies primarily examines how ICTs impact communication between people who do not share the same cultural background. So Robert Shutter is a professor of communication studies in the Direct College of Communication, Marquette University, and the director of the Center for Intercultural New Media Research. So INMs is proposed, defined, and set up as the agenda for this necessary new field of study. So the primary interest of new media and intercultural communication theory, this is a central focus, also called the new media and intercultural communication theory area. So the core examination is how ICTs impacts communication between people who don't share the same cultural background. So the INMs define as national culture and a nation state and culture and co-culture rather in early intercultural communication research, but has been expanded contemporarily include myriad cultures both within and across geopolitical boundaries, as well as hybridized culture that have developed transnationally due to migration, diaspora, and time and space reconfiguration and digital age. The secondary interest area of INMs is the relationship between culture and new media, which includes how culture impacts the social uses of new media within across societies and how new media affects cultures. The primary area of INMs is called New Media and Intercultural Communication Theory because it attempts to identify new digital theories of intercultural contact as well as refine and expand 20th century theories of intercultural communications. Although there are limited data on the impact of new media on intercultural communication theory, the available research suggests that new media play a major role in the EBB and flow of major role and flow of intercultural encounters, conceivably augmenting 20th century theories of communication across cultures. So, historically defined as national culture, nation state, and co-culture with its ethnicity or the race. INMs includes a myriad of cultures both within and across geopolitical boundaries, including hybridized cultures developed transnationally due to migration and the configuration of time, space, and digital age. To identify new digital theories of intercultural contact, to refine and expand existing 20th century theories of intercultural communication, the available research already suggests new media plays a major role in these encounters. So this area explores the broader two-way relationship between culture and technologies themselves. The two aspects are examined how culture impacts the social uses of new media within across societies, and second is how new media affects culture itself. So in essence, INMs seeks to build a theoretical framework that acknowledges the accounts for the dynamic, pervasive role of digital technologies and how diverse human groups connect, misunderstand, cooperate, and evolve. And that's all for my topic. So now let's proceed to my co-reporters to discuss also their topics.